Hey everyone, how you doing? Me, Timothy. We only got high winds and rain and lightning out of the severe thunderstorms that rolled through our area here in Michigan, in my area. Winds got up to 70 miles an hour. Yeah, 70 miles an hour. It was reported at our airport today that winds got up to 70 miles an hour. But I've seen on some of the like I got Facebook and on my Facebook seen a post from a local TV station channel, Wood TV 8. They posted a lot of damages up around in their neck of the woods, and a friend of mine posted a post of a tractor trailer tipped over somewhere, and but we didn't get anything. Well, our lights almost did go out today, but they stayed on. They stayed on. But we didn't get what Chicago got too bad. I'm kind of glad on that. So please say prayers for the people in Illinois. What happened over there today from the storms that they got? Man, they got tornadoes in certain areas there, and please say prayers for the people in Illinois and everything. And just keep on praying, people, for people that are still getting hit by the storm. And I just want to say thanks for watching. Y'all take care, and I will speak to all you real soon out there. Thanks for watching.